Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How's life? I hope we are all in good condition. I would like to say thank you for watching my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nesha Putri Santika from 5C class. In this video, I want to explain about one of the topic that I have read from a book entitled English Phonetic and Phonology, written by Peter Roach, which is a book recommended by our beloved lecturer, Mrs. Senia Rika, Master of Education. This video was made to fulfill the final project examination of the phonology course. In this video, I will explain about stress in simple words. Let's start and enjoy the video. Okay, for the first material in stress in simple word is the nature of stress. The nature of stress is simple enough. Practically everyone would agree that the first syllable of words like father, opened is stressed, that the middle syllable is stressed in potato apartment, and that the final syllable is stressed in receive perhaps. And the most people feel they have some sort of idea of what the difference between stressed and unstressed syllable. Though that might explain it in many different ways. The words quote above will be described as father, opened, potato, apartment, deceive, and perhaps. What are the characteristics of stressed syllables that enable us to identify them? It is important to understand that there are two different ways of approaching this question. One being to consider what the speaker does in producing stressed syllable, and the other being to consider what characteristic of sound make a syllable seem to a listener to be stressed. From the perceptual point of view, all stressed syllables have one characteristic in common, and that is prominence. Stressed syllables are recognized as stressed because they are more prominent than unstressed syllables. What makes a syllable prominent? At least four different factors are important. The first is most people seem to feel that stressed syllables are louder than unstressed. And the second is the length of syllables has an important part to play in prominence. And the third is every syllable is said on the same pitch. And the fourth is a syllable will tend to be prominent if it contains a vowel that is different in quality from neighboring vowels. Generally, these four factors are worked together in combination, though syllables may sometimes be made prominent by means of only one or two of them. Experimental work has shown that these factors are not equally important. The strongest effect is produced by pitch, and length is also a powerful factor. Loudness and quality have much less effect. Okay, the second material in stress in simple word is level of stress. We have now identified two levels of stress, primary and secondary, as well as a third level which can be called unstressed and regarded as being the absence of any recognizable amount of prominence. There are the three levels that we will use in describing English stress. However, it is worth nothing that unstressed syllable containing a, I, U or a syllabic consonant will sound less prominent than an unstressed syllable containing some other vowel. And the last material in stress in simple word is placement of stress within the word. We now come to a question that causes a great deal of difficulty, particularly to foreign learners who cannot simply dismiss it as an academic question. How can one select the correct syllables or syllables to stress in an English word? Many writers have said that English word stress is so difficult to predict that it is best to treat stress placement as a property of the individual word, to be learned when the word itself is learned. In order to decide on stress placement, it is necessary to make use of some or all of the following information. The first, whether the word is morphologically simple or whether is it complex as a result of containing one or more affixes, that is, prefixes or suffixes, or of being a compound word. The second is the grammatical category to which the word belong, like nouns, verb, adjective, and etc. And the third is the number of syllables in the word. The fourth is the phonological structure of those syllables. Okay, I think enough for my explanation about stress in simple word, and thank you for nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Cheerio.